Hey, I've got to be honest with you, when you open a laptop and it feels immediately powerful, not just promising, that's when you realize you've crossed into a different class of machine. That's exactly what the Legion Pro 70 feels like. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and stock laptops this capable don't stay at good tiers forever and can spike without warning. You know that moment when you trying to run a big project or the latest AAA title, and your old rig hesitates. The fans kick in, the frames dip, and suddenly productivity and immersion both stumble. You knew it was time to upgrade, and not someday, not when you think you're ready, but right then, the honest moment when you realized you kept excusing compromise. The first time you fire this up, there's a palpable shift. Programs load instantly, windows snap open without hesitation, and the games they unfold with the kind of smoothness you felt only in trailers. It's not just speed. It's confidence. You stop worrying about bottlenecks and start living in the now where everything works the way you expect it to. In real use, this beast handles massive video projects, high-resolution photo edits, and massive open-world titles all in the same day without breathing hard. Multitasking feels effortless. Streaming, recording, editing, and playing at ultra settings, there's no juggling, no freezing frames, no watching progress bars crawl. This machine doesn't just keep up, it leads. And when RTX 5080 graphics lock in with 64 gigs of RAM and lightning-fast storage, you don't just see crisp visuals, you feel immersion. It's like everything you do suddenly has clarity, power, and precision. The kind of performance that doesn't whisper maybe it asserts done if you hesitant because of price swings or inventory tightness. Here's the truth. Don't let yourself circle back to cheaper alternatives that leave you wondering what could have been. Gear this strong becomes the benchmark you compare everything else to, and the regret of waiting on upgrades you needed. It lingers far longer than any temporary deal. You might worry about battery life with this much power packed in. Sure, it'll sip juice faster during heavy loads than ultralight notebooks. But you'll appreciate that trade when every task runs without throttling. And yes, it is a serious machine, but that seriousness translates to freedom, not burden. Responsiveness that feels instant, graphics that pull you in, deep creative power without hesitation, storage that never makes you wait, a machine that feels like mastery. High-end gear comes at a cost. It's not like everyday laptops. At some point you stop comparing specs and choose what already feels right inside you. Don't let this be another upgrade you push off and regret later. Check the price and availability now and embrace the performance you already know you deserve.